Hey, it's Dougie Wood, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own drop-down lists in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So I actually have a spreadsheet here which has two tabs. One, basically where I'm going to have all my data, and another tab for all of my cities. I'm going to select where I want all the drop-downs to appear, and then once I've selected those cells, I'm going to click on the Data tab across the top of Excel, and then I'm going to select on Data Validation. This is then going to bring up a data validation box, and from this, I need to select under the Allow the List option. Once I've done this, I'm going to select on my source. So where am I going to be sourcing these cities from? Now, in my case, I actually have a separate tab across the bottom of my spreadsheet. So I'm going to go into that tab and select on my cities tab. And then I need to select all the items in this tab, as this is basically what is going to be used as the source for my drop down list. Once I've selected all the items, I then just need to click on enter. And this is then going to enter all of this back into my data validation. Then I simply just need to click on the OK button. And there we go. We've now got our drop down list ready to go in all of the cells that we previously selected. So I can simply select a different city for each of the attendees of my events spreadsheet. It's really simple. Of course, once you select a value, you could even just drag all of those down as well to put them in place. Or we can individually select them. And that's it. So if you found that useful, please do subscribe to my channel and also check out this next useful tip around Microsoft Excel. Thank you.